Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? Welcome to my class. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sengupta. So, children, today I am going to start new topic, time and calendar, unit number 8. So, children, let us recapitulate this time and calendar. So, children, have you seen this? What is this? Watch. Now here, children, look carefully. This is a dial of the watch and it is circular. The face of the watch is circular. This watch is having how many hands? 1, 2 and 3. It is having 3 hands. The shortest hand is hour hand and this middle longer hand is a minute hand, and this thin slender, the longest hand, it is the second hand. And this dial, it is divided into 12 equal parts, and it is a numbering is there 1 to 12, and each section is divided equally, right? And in between 12 to 1, it is divided into 5 equal parts. So each one, 1 and 2, 5 equal parts, 2 and 3, 5 equal parts. So the gap, there are 5 equal parts, and each part it is called what? It is minute, right? And when this minute hand, it completes one rotation, then it becomes an hour, right? So minute hand completes one rotation, that is how many minutes it takes to complete one rotation? It is 60 minutes, right? So there are 3 hands: short hand, hour hand, minute hand and second hand. This thing you have learned, and also you have learned the time, that I will discuss it later. Now next thing is, children, this is, what is this? This is a calendar. Calendar, it is the dates are there, months are there, month is mentioned. In calendar, what things are mentioned? The year, the name of the year and the name of the month and the name of the week, and also the per day, the name of the weeks and the dates are there. Okay, so this is the calendar. Each month is having certain amount of days. For example, this is the calendar of 2019 December. So how many days are there in December? 31 days. So similarly, total months are 12 months, and the week there are 7 days in a week, and in a year there are 12 months in a year. Now let us start with, all of you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, right? And 1 year is equal to 12 months. This thing all of you know, right? And now let us recall. So first question is, it is draw the minute hand. What you have to draw? The minute hand. Minute hand and the hour hand. You have to draw the minute hand and hour hand for the given time. For the given time. Correct? So here, this is a clock. Starts with 12. And now 3 is center. This is 9. And it's 1, 2. Then 4, 5, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the center. So draw the minute hand and the hour hand for the given time. So firstly, I am going to explain it with the help of this. This is the clock. So you have to show this. What is the time? Time that you have to show is 5 o'clock. This 5 o'clock you have to show it. So you have to draw the minute hand and hour hand in this picture. So here, see, this is the clock. So here the minutes and hour hand, it is mentioned in the question. So I will deal with this minute hand and hour hand. So now I am going to move this minute hand. That is 5 o'clock. Firstly, I will move the hour hand. All of you look here. All of you see. Here, the hour hand will be at 5 and the minute hand will be at 12. So let us draw it. This hour hand will be at 5 and this minute hand will be at 12. See, this is 5 o'clock. Similarly, you have to draw the minute hand and hour hand of the given time in this picture. This is question number 1. Now let us come to question number 2. Now in question number 2 is there, how many minutes does the minute hand takes to move? Okay, so let us start with 12 to 5. Okay, now come, let us start with this clock. How many minute hand? This is a minute hand. Okay, so how many minutes does the minute hand takes to move? How many moves? How many minutes does it takes when it moves from 12 to 5? So this is 12 and this is 5. This minute hand, this is at the, all of you see, this minute hand, it is at 12. 12. Now let us start it, minute hand to move, it comes from 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when this minute hand comes from 12 to 5, how many minutes? Let's see, from 12 to 1, it is having divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each division it is divided, each section, that is 1, 2, there are 5, it is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, each arch is divided into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this minute, when minute hand moves from 12 to 5, it takes how many minutes? 25 minutes. Now come to next question. Next is 12 to 10. So let us come here, 12 and this is 10. The minute hand, again I am moving it to the 12. See, this 12. 12, minute hand is at 12. Now we have to move this, when minute hand moves from 12 to 10. So how many minutes it will take? See, from 12 to 1, 5, then to 10, 3, 15, it is multiples of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will, how many minutes it will take? 5 into 10, that is 50 minutes. Okay, so now come to the next question. Similarly, you have to do question number 2. Now let us come to question number 3. In question number 3, you have to write the time shown in the picture. You have to give the time that is shown in the picture. For example, this is a clock, 12, 6, 3, 9. It is the center. So here the time is shown. So what is the time is shown here? All of you see that this is the shorthand, that is our hand. It is in between 2 and 3. So write down. It has crossed 3, 2, but it hasn't crossed 3. It is in between 2 and 3. So the hour hand will the hour is 2 hours, and where is the minute hand? It is at 7. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 sevens are 35. It is 35 minutes. It is 2 hours 35 minutes. It is 2:35. 2 hours 35 minutes. Correct? 2:35 o'clock. So similarly, you have to write down the time which is shown in the picture. This is in the question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Now come to question number 4. In question number 4, you have to draw the hour hand, and the minute hand, right, for the given time. The time is 3:20, right? So you have given a circle, given a picture of a clock, and then you have to draw the time, draw the hour hand and the minute hand. You have to show the time. Okay, this is a clock. Now 3:20, it means 3 hours. So the 3 hours is completed. It is more 3 hours and 20 minutes. So the hour hand will be in between 3 and 4, and 20 minutes, it is minute hand will be at 4. So it is 3 hours 20 minutes. Similarly, you have to draw the hour hand and the minute hand for the given time in question number 4. Now come to question number 5. In question number 5, you have to write AM or PM. AM is always we used to write from the midnight, that is after 12 o'clock midnight and up to 12 o'clock noon, the AM is used, and after 12 o'clock noon to the midnight, in between the midnight 12 o'clock midnight, it is written as a PM. So write AM or PM, right? The activity that you will do, it is determined when you are doing this activity by this AM or PM. So here is 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning. It means this activity, it is done in between the midnight of 12 and noon of 12. So in between, that is, so it is AM. Similarly, you have to write AM or PM. So you have to do question number 5. Now come to question number 6. In question number 6 is a fill in the blanks of AM and PM. So write AM or PM in the blanks. Correct? Now A, it is I go to play. I go to play at 4 what? When do you go to play? So we used to go to play in the evening, that is in the PM. After 12 o'clock in midday, so it is PM. Now next is I go to bed. I go to bed at 10:30. Again it is at night. We used to go to bed at night 10:30, so it is PM. Similarly, you have to do question number 6. Now come to discuss, let us discuss question number 7. In question number 7, you have to write down how many days are there in a month in which the following important days falls. So you have to write down the number of the days of the month in which the following important days that I am discussing about falls. For example, Republic Day. Republic Day falls in the month of January. Right. So January is having how many days? 31 days. So that you have to mention the number of the days of that month in which this particular special day falls. Like Teachers' Day. When do you celebrate Teachers' Day? 5th September. So Teachers' Day falls in September. September is having how many days? 30 days. So similarly in question number 7 you have to mention the number of the days of the month in which the particular festival that is falls in that month. Now come to question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first one is 1 day equals how many hours? So how many hours, children? 24 hours. Now next, 1 hour equals how many minutes? It is 60 minutes. Now see, 120 minutes is equals how many hours? So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 120 minutes means 2 hours. Now come to D. December has dash days. December has 31 days. E. June comes after the month of, after which month June comes? It's May. So children, always we have to remember the name of the month, name of the days and the relationship between the hours and minutes. And next is last, in a year, how many months are having? Are having 30 days. So this thing you have to do it. Okay, you have to find out. So your today's assignment is, you have to do question number 1, 2, 3, 4 as a C work. So classwork is, you have to do question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and homework is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So children, you have to do it and it is of page number 70 and 71. Right? Unit number 8. So tomorrow I will start the new topic, leap year. So children, this unit, this session is the just recapitulation of your earlier classes, whatever you have learned about time and calendar. So till then, goodbye, Shabba Khair.